Kidsgrove in Staffordshire and Rugby, Warwickshire are the homes of the two manufacturing divisions of GEC Industrial Controls Limited, which is part of that giant of the UK electrical and electronic industry, the General Electric Company of England. Over many years, Kidsgrove has been the manufacturing base for our low-voltage control gear, our DC drive systems, and our standard control products. And therefore, in a form of natural evolution in the state-of-the-art of process control today, it's not surprising that within this product manufacturing division, that is GEC Industrial Controls Limited, is to be found both the design and the manufacturing capability of GEM80, an advanced family of microprocessor control systems that has today become the front runner in the international scenario of microprocessor control systems. The success of GEM80 is of course based on the company legend in the field of electrical control systems. And GEM80 is simply the result of the intelligent use of our in-house expertise of many years and the application of that expertise to our constant aim of being in advance of the high technology that is required to provide a reliable product of assured quality that will meet the process control demands of our customers worldwide. Therefore, as with all of the products of this company, reliability and an assurance of quality is a designed-in prerequisite of the GEM80 family of microprocessor control systems. It is a prerequisite that is monitored closely, not only throughout the manufacturing cycle of each system, but one that starts right here at the goods inwards section of our works, where delivery is taken from our component suppliers. It is here that the performance history of every component that is within each GEM80 system begins. Whether the incoming goods are mechanical parts of the system, whether peripherals or factored units, or small electrical components. It is at this pre-manufacturing stage that a stringent series of environmental tests will be conducted, so that the integrity of a component will be proved in order that it may be considered for inclusion in our end product. At this early stage, we very deliberately seek early life failure of a component, or any change to the specified parameters provided to our suppliers. These components, for example, have just been subjected to a cycle of 10 thermal shocks at a temperature variance ranging from -5 degrees centigrade to +70 degrees centigrade at a rate of change of 1 degree centigrade per minute. And now they will undergo a heat soak for 24 hours at 125 degrees centigrade in this stabilization baker. And again, these devices will be subjected to a dynamic burn-in period of 72 hours at 70 degrees centigrade, during which power will be supplied to each device and the inputs of each will be triggered. Operation of tube-to-tube handling of components in this area takes place in order to minimize the possibility of damage through mishandling and also to eliminate static damage. After environmental testing, all of these components are subjected to a test procedure which can be carried out automatically on this machine, or, as here, manually. But whichever method is used, a 100% test is provided to each component in order that it may be released to the pre-manufacture stores to become part of a module for a particular GEM80 system. However, in this same goods receiving area, larger devices that are an integral part of a GEM80 system undergo the same stringent supplies-in test procedure. Here you will find power supplies, portable programmers, and signal conditioning modules in dynamic burn-in prior to final testing and acceptance, before being passed to the pre-manufacture stores area. The manufacturing area for the GEM80 microprocessor control system is, in its basic design, totally compatible to the handling and the assembly of static sensitive devices. This floor, for example, is static conductive. All benches in the area have been designed to be static conductive. And on all occasions where static sensitive devices are handled, the operator wears a carbon impregnated wrist strap. The aim? To maintain a condition of zero potential between any operator and any static device throughout the complete manufacturing cycle. No electrical charge or discharge can occur between the operator and the component. All components for a GEM80 system are received from the stores in this, the preparation area, where purely mechanical operations are performed on the boards of the equipment. Here also, pre-forming operations are carried out on various components prior to their assembly onto the boards. From this early stage of manufacture, high-technology boards progress to pre-flow manual assembly stations, where an operator selects and places the required component on the board. And in this manner, a 100% inspection check is made on each high-technology board.